Welcome to Come Nurses YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about some model questions and answers. First question is salivary gland secretes saliva which contains the enzyme A. Pepsin, B. Ptyalin, C. Renin, D. Lipase. The answer is B. Ptyalin. Second question, the highest level of learning is option A, concept learning, option B, chaining, option C, problem solving, and option D is verbal association. The correct answer is problem solving. Third question, an obstetric emergency. A. HELLP syndrome, B. Gilbert syndrome, C. Down syndrome, D. Cone syndrome. The correct answer is A. HELLP syndrome. Fourth question is, telling the truth is a practice of which ethical principle? Option A, non-maleficence, B, justice, C, beneficence, D, veracity. The correct answer is veracity. Fifth question, validity of a research tool refers to option A, feasibility, option B, consistency, C, accuracy, D, accountability. The correct answer is C, accuracy. Sixth question, position given for mouth care to an unconscious patient is option A, Fowler's position, B, sideline position, C, knee chest position, and D is supine position. The correct answer is the correct answer is B, sideline position. Seventh question, the constant phase in a menstrual cycle is A, proliferative phase, B, menstrual phase, C, ovulation phase, D, luteal phase. The correct answer is D, luteal phase. Eighth question, a client on anticoagulant therapy is monitored for option A, nausea, B, chest pain, C, insomnia, D, hematuria. The correct answer is option D, hematuria. Ninth question, signs of meningeal irritation include all except option A, neck rigidity, option B, Brudinsky sign, option C, Babinski sign, option D, Kerning sign. The correct answer is option C, Babinski sign. Tenth question is, total Apgar score of a newborn is option A 12, option B 8, option C 10, option D 15. The correct answer is option C 10. 11th question is, the first 1 year of life is known as option A, infant, option B, newborn, option C, toddler, option D, preschooler. The correct answer is option A, infant. 12th question, the outer covering of heart is dash. Option A, pericardium. Option B, endocardium. Option C, mediastinum. Option D, pleura. The correct answer is option A, pericardium. 13th question. The innermost layer of eyeball is option A, cornea, option B, sclera, option C, iris, option D, retina. The correct answer is option D, retina. 14th question. Largest salivary gland in our body. Option A, submandibular gland. Option B, parotid gland. Option C, sublingual gland. Option D, buccal gland. The correct answer is option B, parotid gland. 15th question. An example of zoonotic disease is option A, rabies, option B, malaria, option C, measles, option D, leprosy. The correct answer is option A, rabies. 16th question. Baby-friendly hospital initiative was created and promoted by option A, WHO and Red Cross. Option B, UNICEF and Red Cross. Option C, WHO and World Bank. Option D, WHO and UNICEF. The correct answer is option D, WHO and UNICEF. 17th question. When birth length of a child doubles at the age of option A at 6 months, option B at 1 year, option C at 2 years, option D at 4 years. The correct answer is option D at 4 years. 18th question. 1 gram protein gives option A 4 calories, option B 9 calories, option C 2 calories, option D 3 calories. The correct answer is option A 4 calories. 19th question. The patient has an order for 2 tablespoons of oral glycerin. How much medication does the nurse give? Option A 2 ml, option B 10 ml, option C 20 ml, option D 30 ml. The correct answer is option D 30 ml. 20th question. According to Parkland formula, fluid requirement in burns for the first 24 hours is option A 2 ml per kg per percentage of bones, option B 4 ml per kg per percentage of burns, option C 6 ml per kg per percentage of bones, option D 8 ml per kg per percentage of burns. The correct answer is 4 ml per kg per percentage of burns. Thank you.